There are two reasons why I'm impressed with these gummies, these creatine gummies by Parhat. First of all, you're getting 5 grams of creatine in 2 gummies. That's amazing. That's a great source of creatine. As you know, creatine is good for muscle recovery, muscle growth, and recent research has shown that it helps support cognitive function. As someone who has a family history of cognitive disorders, I'm all in on creatine. The second reason why I like these guys is the taste. Oh, let me show you. Look how cool these guys look. This is the blueberry flavor. It comes in other flavors, but the taste is great. I look forward to eating a couple of these every morning after my workout. It is amazing. I eat another one just for good, good, good reason. Just because I like the taste. Very good gummy. These are also vegan, gluten-free, and no added sugars. I know, it's a great product. I recommend these creatine gummies.